In this video, I'm going to show you how to create multiple folders from Excel data. Let's open an Excel document. These are some names that I have taken as an example. Suppose you need to create separate folders for all of these names. Normally, what we do is we copy a name from here. Go to the folder. Create a new folder and paste the name. Now imagine that you have hundreds of names and how much time it will take to create all these folders. But there is an easier way to do this. Let's go back to Excel. Select a cell and type equals. Add a quotation and type mkdir. Add a space and add 3 quotations. Add an ampersand sign and select a name cell. Add another ampersand sign and add 4 quotations. Press Enter on your keyboard. If you don't understand the formula, don't worry. I will add the formula to the description. Now bring your cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell. When the plus sign becomes smaller and bolder, double-click on it. This will apply the formula to the rest of the cells. Now copy the formula applied cells. Go to your desired folder. Right-click on the folder page. In the drop-down, click on New. From here, click on Text Document. This will open Notepad. Open the newly created file. Paste your copied data. In the top menu, click on File. In the drop-down menu, click on Save As. Rename the document as you like, but at the end of the document, type .bat. Change the file type from text documents to All Files and click Save. Close Notepad. This is the file we just created. Now, if I double-click on it, you can see that all of the names from the data are now new folders. Following these steps, you can create as many folders as you want.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.